At the edge of a tranquil village, darkness yields to a tiny spark. Jonaki, a firefly, flickers into existence. Her light dances brightly, a beacon of joy in the quiet night. Drawn by her radiance, other fireflies emerge, their lights twinkling in harmony. Together, they weave a joyful dance, a symphony of light against the dark backdrop. The serene beauty of their illuminated world unfolds, a testament to Jonaki's playful spirit. The village is swallowed by an abrupt, chilling darkness. Jonaki trembles, the last embers of light fading from the fireflies. A palpable sense of dread descends as shadows deepen around her. The once joyful atmosphere is replaced by rising anxiety. "Why has the night become so dark?" Jonaki whispers, her voice lost. Vulnerability hangs heavy in the air as the fireflies vanish. Under the watchful gaze of the ancient tree, Jonaki looks up, hope shining in her eyes in the dimly lit night. Kaktaru, the old crow, perches atop the branches, a silhouette against the moonlit sky. "The fireflies have lost their light, little one," Kaktaru croaks, his words echoing in the stillness. A somber pronouncement hangs heavy in the air. Vanished. No one knows where it has gone. Jonaki's gaze hardens with resolve as she stares up at the crow. "I will find them, Kaktaru," she vows, her voice ringing with youthful determination. "I will find them all." Along the dark riverbank, Jonaki's light dances, a beacon weaving through gardens and beneath ancient trees. Her glow reveals a somber gathering. Fireflies, their lights dimmed with despair, a silent plea in the night. Jonaki approaches the despondent fireflies, her presence a gentle promise amidst the river's murmur. A reassuring light emanates from her, a display of leadership and tender compassion. Jonaki's unwavering spirit ignites hope, promising to guide them from the shadows. In the hushed village night, Jonaki shares her light, a beacon of hope against the encroaching darkness. One by one, the despondent fireflies respond, their lights flickering to life, mirroring Jonaki's unwavering spirit. The village awakens, filled with the enchanting dance of fireflies, a testament to unity's power. The villagers understand Jonaki will always protect them, embracing the strength found in togetherness.